Yeah, I'm Baba Daily Update TV. So, Deputy Communication Officer Aye Akugan. Okopie mo dwumadi afre no dwabo ase na ɛhɔ no ɔde nsɛm bi to dwa. Nsɛm a ɔde to dwa is about oral. Yenim sɛ anase sɛ unim a me bon kai sɛ ene ana oral no be present omo findings omo report nyina de ama aye His Excellency the President of the Republic John Dramani Mahama. You know now recently trending news national security I discover boxes containers of gold dollars cedis and okase say no ekufo amamu mu empenfo mu leadership mu empenfo bi NPP fo bi ahyase e pa achew anase achew pa bi ekoso na ni nyina ne say property omo wo no omo ahyase hand over peacefully fee cars ne niam bi akodi omo nsam because the fear of oral no it has come to stay because and omo petition and as omo the report ni nyina dem Mahama and it will still continue, their research will still continue. Tebusia yakoti Akogan Deputy Communication Officer and na Kwame Minkachens ombodin hwamu na present properties hand over the ama the oral team I say omo present report ne no hode or pushy na wambodi no but abusua yekotie because ora no I find this bebre afenyo markets whom because okuja to ablakwa puti no wrong wabra na omo invite no chese your evidence your document is here and abusua yekotie Akogan embra
off na waje tip off no edi na we follow ako venue
with the cameras
edi wachi ako in fact wakwa ko hu se eye nokre na nipa kro ma tip off no wo say unim enya so nipa kro ama odin wo say a friend Alaji
as in near,
and that is how His Excellency John Dramani Mahama opese on the Ghana for Ituanamo Bibi Ebeba will see the people behind it and all that. A facility like this, Untumin country is a security man and nano who will bring gold containers and all those things.
Oh, one would dine about one security fund.
So me I catch them say Obia anyone and I say when to me and Kwankwachi Obia ewo. Come on.
It's a way no dear and come for operation recover all the loot. And also Alaji to me.
I'm Alaji Asem. And I'm happy with the comment on the Facebook page of Domelefu. Or say a normal day call. And then Adeba Kwa me who say NPP for Isrupa oral. Almost Rupa. Imagine the vetting that was that went on in Parliament. Everybody had a problem with anybody.
Was it a problem or concern?
It's a problem. What concerns do they have? So a problem and fear.
Some more encophobia and some mushisha. Exactly. I say fromo.
Yes. And yes, a process had to be framuno. Oral. Operation recover all loot. Ohoni ade befa. What han saying? Yes, it's a utrimu fire. Inti amwonkum. Inti say obi be friend oralo, obe friend no CIDO, obe friend no Attorney General Department, obe friend hio. Meti hey mitrimu fire and hame. Echina me kwatena office bi. Ni ase me me power so. Na me koye your friends kontonfie akokora echeche enkrofo area. Enu ne ka say ye ba be investigation me yembesebe. Ene because ye did Dr. Esiama Eco Bank of Ghana. Another fear of your friend is saying NPP. And Esiama de entumi nyini ntumo and ye nya mfani ma woni for vetting. Ye nyini ntumo ye de ne ko your friend is saying asendibia ye de ne ko
for no
what's happening? When I accusing it wrongly, and now didn't go to court for 8 years. Went to me in your justice.
Mobile, most man twice, I'm not sure.
Because in some hunu, yen say that you want.
It's in yen some
yen some
Yama clearing in a
yen some hunu.
Omo from a clearing agent.
Openly, okay, Mammy can be being show. The justification of previous rulings. A typical example is a friend is saying, Dr. Puni. Muna mode Dr. Puni Akoko General Court. Mode ne call court. Maya Muenya, your friend is say, going to man prosecute no. Ameni pakra odi asemono. Speedily. Oko your friend is saying ne pension. Moment extension 2 years. Because unim say obi obebe bia obesha case na se because a criminal case and away no.
Yeah.
And until man 2 years council going to mean daily opuni. Or yeah, yamusa man promotion and idea. At the end of the day, when you mean jail, no, and 2 years na mo de car no, and also so essay ya shigu ye. When you mean ye, and I must answer the ma in the pafro. And no say per doctor egumenim and idea no. Say me and I me babet na soa. As I say, me share case no. I say, I will bring on fumushe and a oh yes I ruling no. Oh yes I ruling then a kufa do ye. O pamono. Eko ye appeal. See any case in free in some young farmer justice fufro. No entwa asem so. Ampeni ampa munya de mope. And ye car say yanji case we and from judge fufro. Say judge no ye judge that you are comfortable with or all those things me and family honye be metri asema me nim dem ye omu judiciary honye dem akaka tre akakagu judges asumu and family ho ono so betina asemi ho kokwasa sa yenkoyemra sa wentumi enya bibi enyina so emu papa no fo na yen ayenim se papa yi bibi eni ne ho eye witch hunting no na ya sanso ni akwa kogina court say yes Ghana sika ewo ho sika omoka kire say omo ahwere for this 8 years omodo opuni egina court
yeah
say sika no esompo ten sika yes say
etikamo to aso ha keka na ebebo ana
ankeka na ebebo. Secondly sika mo say opuni abo Ghana ka no eka amode e prosecute no kra no e doso e chen eka mo say wabo. And in fact
basaka mo to aso
na say anka omopo and I say ye mo cause ye dum ko gina causing financial loss to the state
basaka mo to aso
because also be aboka 1 cedi now we be say 5 cedis e dey retrieve 1 cedi so wadwene na enya adwuma next abrobi and a person obo and I say for political mischief say enchi obi entum so aye bonu onye bonu ye enchi ntum keke ni enyina so enkoka say ene easy for eyeyi nti e besa Ghana for sika nyina de akwakọ investigation akoye bibia na we will do it 8 years montu ma anya hwe na e ba be say adaje e was
so it is in that same spirit na omode kasa edefa ora you
exactly
the fear of the unknown
makes it say adia NPP for esuro kese eye Dr. Siama eye oral and your majority in parliament. That's the fear of the NPP today. Headache. Yes, I
and the end wo oral ni was almost
oral. Am I akwenya bebre ye be use all other ways to investigate you. Make all other ways ye wo enema bi wo ho so bi kwa investigation ye betumi use proceed ya wo pre no enimram but when him say MPC there dada scratch my back so ade we there you better so di but we have told you say we are resetting Ghana and coming for somebody from the oral team okoje to a black one we are not joking
it the extent ben amode beko I mean wa bra omode omama ne bo ekoma mampanyi John Dramani Mahama after that dey ni besi
Kwame watch what happens when and follow the statement from the oral team today and follow the response from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. They made me a can. No, I will never go ahead of my president or my ministers.
But based on the winning,
yes,
it didn't be free maba.
Why may never be free maba? And in fact, as we speak to you now, and Crawford started a patcho.
Wamo
and Crawford started to say properties require MPB. You mudi monsa infa.
Kwame. Bubodi.
Kwame. Oh, say I about 10 meboa.
Akaka.
Chain.
Bubu akan sima ben.
Kwame. Susununu o listeners. Oh yeah, mama suwa yo mo dado.
Ebi mo patcho.
Kwame. And Crawford patcho.
Amode
patcho pa.
Mode o mo boni ajo mo ana.
Wo say.
Bibi sa.
Wo say.
Mode boni na che.
Yentwe reporters no. Yentwe ene omo reporter omo de kwakomo omo ampeni ni omo document yentwe.
But what ye domelevu a wo say ebi mo yam hihwe omo.
Kwame.
Kwame. Ebesi.
Kwame. Say obi ede bidie egu gold so de egu dollars so. Ede cement. Gold as say cement mu all the kwama no ne. Enra ade di no. It didn't just come. People report issues, and based on that, we follow it up.
But you see, like Dodge, United States of America, follow oral principle, unorthodox means of investigating. Bibi omususu say, money be a deal minor. We face a lot of pushbacks from Democrats, America. Pushbacks be to say, Argentina won't follow procedure. Now the Ura has say. Now the same thing soon as you on my Ghana. Sa pushbacks when you say bet medru and pepe so be a better day say ora jumano a bet me de and fasudi papa na
Kwame, you see sometimes processes and my information be hide processes and some delays be need technicalities be okay. Yes, say obi eba ufie na oba be ye boni ukum nipa wa Ghana ya do betum for life and say be kum bi but say nipa intrude eba na ukuna o mai eba wa baso ama nipa boni for eso ate wa Ghana nti ora ebe nipa boni for so ate wa Ghana. Kwame Mira studio no me catch us me hu ade go Facebook na me person ka me kan answer me free her.
Yes.
Might take him 3 months to complete. We have a journey ahead. Sometimes we social media ni abo na asume si ye pese ati udin o ye nya hu na nkrofo so fa ho na ye bompa ye mo gina phone ne so Jesus Christo din mo me twi John Dramani Mahama dwene ba wo so be bo udin ne say, asofo no so de mo ha gemu na se na be ya ye bodin na yes yen ye fra wo ne bompa ye mo ye shon kom ki John Dramani Mahama you tin the udi kwasa na no na you understand almost so friends prophetic engineers almost must start ye omho adwuma na there because onim say kwa moti he den abenya position Mugabe benya position akoga na den abenya position wa eleke mu benya position asedu nketi abenya position to high permutation
wow
and not in pipe on name now we are praying for you, we are doing this for you, we are doing this for you.
Maybe a real one.
Maybe say ye kwako ye second Quran kra any like the Islamic prayers na there you understand. But it is because we have got a leader, a president who have been there before, unprecedented. And he knows the terrain, he knows what he's doing. And no nama sa agitation ebe. Me social media, the first 7 constituencies that gave a lot of votes to John Dramani Mahama, Adenta, Ashiama, why bio, Amasama. They mentioned about 7 constituencies. John Mahama the highest vote, but their MPs have not been appointed anywhere and all that. Yako campaign. Minu nyina aka say, yepe 60 ministers. That 60 ministers, must have a gender balance. That 60 ministers must have religious, religious, regional balance. It will eat all these balances every month. Now, also, we 16 ministers, regional ministers every month. So it is not possible say ministers, However, there are other appointments like boards, agencies, and all those things that will come. You see, the moment we begin to do this, you know, obi ye bibi emma miyemu sheme. Se oshe panela ene ye ko radio ene ye ya. Me de to abonten no. Me sister baako oye women organizer for Kaikwe South, ya Bruce Lee. Oshe list ni mo say, inti ene Monday is only one lady pe ena mo deploy no.
Wow.
Edene ko ye friend is saying radio TV ana. Grace Ayensu for Metro.
That's right.
Ye na ake nyina ye ba radio aye mema. Madwene ama ho. Ana meka say, we dey ya Bruce Lee wasem ewu. There was a day last week and also so say but all the people that you sent is 70% Muslims.
Yeah. O point to say.
My point in say,
yeah.
Sometimes when you are working, and especially with this a year making,
that's right.
It is availability. Monday be free MPs no be Roma come constituency. Just say Monday they are convenient, but Tuesday na there. So when you are doing some of these things like appointment, selection, and idea, you cannot say you are ignoring constitutional your friends say mandates. Yes, say do from Parliament. Parliament, I think that is 50% from Parliament. If I'm right, 50% from Parliament. Into the other 50, no, you must do gender balance.
Yeah.
You must do regional balance.
Yeah.
Into your fine materials be your you can't use them because a beer region hono ye chusu mienu bi dida and I say chusu baako bi e wo dida region mienu bi ho ye nhwe omo gender ye nhwe omo ye consider wonom. So these are the only hectic job of this. A beer Kwame, I want you to be your friend is saying finance minister. A beer nkrofo ankomo wo nimdie Ashanti region for be 5. But obey him. Inti say me drop bi na me kope oba ebe replace him. So these are some of the difficulties of it. Inti ne besre na sa pressure from nkrofo na me
but level I drew say I tried the ball to I mean
there be na me huru bi.
Oh to kwa ko so pa.
Oh
to kwa pa I tried the ball no on ba. Based on amount for perception about appointment. I mean, even to the sense MMDC is the equal say, well, I think
MMDC, no. Say MMDC is mostly that's right. Different. Because Mimi who say about appointing minister now say your friend is saying CEOs not the because the authorities in Accra and one and was
where MMDC
exactly. That is different.
Because secretary name because organizer.
Because let me admit, say Nkrofo omo apply for MMDCs. Baby be who say nipa 17. I think the lowest I've seen is 10. The directive say mumfa nipa miensa embra. And problem e wo ho say obi wo ho a na our interest. People are also alleging. Say no be ajimisika. Organizer can say minfa 5,000 emra. No be making sure say me MC. Obi so say there be a treasurer energy sika say me so obey me say enade. If there's mistrust, no be nim say be mama assume sika na say mama assume sika. I didn't so buy me din enima. Ebi o say family sika mama ya na say wada adam ya na bibia.
And then I'll show you my dinner and subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share and comment show my Ora Hunkomo in a yidi. Because Ora no Abba it has come to stay. Ora no Abba because Ninyan say His Excellency John Dramani Mama Ama Yatia says a net and obaji a year and Sema Ora for Nina Agada as a reporter among United Agada because Ora no abo adwuma yi o mo na be boy am recover all the state here properties akodi wrong direction and akodi NPP for sente abusua me do be see say no na yara ensem fufuru mu na odo commenting so I shall comment section my God bless you.